us is a highly respected symbol. I'd like to read to you a couple of paragraphs of what it means to us. In the past, when firefighters began their tour of duty, it was the bell that signaled the beginning of the day's shift. Throughout the day and night, each alarm was sounded by a bell, which summoned these brave souls to fight fires or to place their lives in jeopardy for the good of their fellow citizens. And when the fire was out and the alarm had come to an end, it was the bell that signaled the completion of the call. When a firefighter had died in the line of duty, paying the supreme sacrifice, it was the mournful toll of the bell that solemnly announced the comrade's passing. We utilize these traditions and symbols which reflect honor and respect on those who have given so much and to have served so well. To symbolize the devotion of these brave souls, had for their duty a special signal of 3 rings, 4 rings, and 3 more rings, symbolizes the 343 first responders that lost their lives on September 11, 2001. Please share a moment of silence before the tolling of the bell. Bell detail. Ho! Uniform personnel. Present. Ho! Detail, return to post.
Thank you, Honor Guard. Before we close here, just a final comment from me. First of all, I want to